Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are old, thank you for coming back and coming into another slay with me. Hello, yes, honey. So today we're going to be doing this look right here. I don't know what to call this look, but it's definitely bold. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm starting out with my Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm just placing that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go into my Karity matte palette. I'm mainly using this palette for most of the tutorial, and I'm just starting with the purple color, and I'm going to pack this color on until I get it as opaque as possible. Now I'm going back into that palette, and I'm taking this pink shade right here, and I'm going to use this shade to blend out the edges of the purple. And then I'm going to go back into the palette and take this light pink shade right here. It looks kind of orangish or whatever, and I'm going to take that to blend out the pink shade. Taking my brush to just wipe off some of the color on my lid. Normally you could take a Q-tip and some makeup remover, but I didn't have none, so I just went ahead and used my brush and wrapped it in a makeup remover wipe. And now I'm just cutting the crease right here. Well, I'm just carving out my crease right here. Then I'm gonna go back in and straighten it out with a smaller brush. So make sure you are also paying attention to the fact that I am switching brushes depending on what it is I'm doing, and that is throughout the whole entire look. Okay, so right here is where I switched to the smaller brush, and I'm just trying to even it out. I have a really hard time with cut creases because, for one, I have hooded lids and I do not have a steady hand. Okay, so back into the Karity palette we go, and I'm going to take this dark blue shade right here and just put that on the outer corner of my eye just to deepen up the look. And then I'm going to go over that blue with some of that purple we used earlier. Then I'm going to go over that purple with a lighter, like pinkish purple color. And that's just to kind of blend the colors together so you won't have any harsh lines between colors as you transition. So I kind of want it to be like a gradient effect. Okay, so right here I'm taking my hard candy glitter, it's glitter primer or glitter glue, something like that, and I'm gonna place my glitter in sections. So I put the glue on, and now I'm placing the glitter on here now, and then I'm gonna go back in and I'm going to put the glue on right here, and then I'm gonna go back in with the glitter. And I'm using my glitters from my company, Glisten Galore, and I'm using the colors Fine Rose and Rose Scales from the Mermaid collection. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. The website is Shop Glisten Galore, www.shopglistengalore.com, and you can purchase the same glitters. So yeah, I'm just working this glitter in sections, and now I'm placing more glue on top so I can place on the chunkier glitter, which is the Rose Scales. As you can see right here, I'm lining my eyes with a black eyeliner pencil. And then I'm gonna go in and smoke out that black liner with the blue that I put on the end of my eye. And then I'm going to blend the blue out with the purple or the pink, one of them. I forgot. I think it's the purple though. Yeah, I think it's the purple. So yeah, I'm just blending that out to make the bottom match the top.
Okay, so that's gonna be the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think, as well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, and that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in my